So we wanted to show our new bulk export feature today. So if you go to the Export tab on your collection, you will see, like you've always seen, this Export All Works, and it has this link to an Export All Works. Unlike previously when we just export a zip file of everything, you now have the opportunity to configure what you want in your export. So we have many different types of exports: HTML, plain text, TEI, some CSV files. I'll provide a link to the documentation about those underneath the video. We also have different types of granularity, a file per page or a file per work for many of these formats. So you can select a couple, so I'm going to select one file per work for HTML, one file per page for verbatim plain text, and then I'll scroll to the bottom and I'll hit Start Export. You'll see this message that says an export's running. An email will be sent to, in this case, benwbrum@gmail.com, because that's the owner of the collection. So you'll get an email when this is ready, because it's backgrounded. Some of your projects are really large, so it's going to take a while. But you'll also be able to see the status of it here on the previous exports thing. It doesn't refresh automatically, but if you come up and hit return in your URL, it will tell you that the one is running, and you see that it's finished, and you have a download link. So I can click on this download link. You get a downloaded zip file. And then you can see this has 3 works in it. There's a folder for each work. If I open the work, I've got a folder for that plain text export, which gives us a full export of the document. And if I go to plain text, I have a folder that has 1 file per page. So that is the new bulk export.